This project is the focus of ongoing research to understand how exposure to culturally responsive VR experiences affect levels of cognition and self-efficacy of minorities in computing. Cognition is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought and experiences. With VR, these experiences are now embodied, and our body plays an active role in the process of cognition and the awareness of our reality. Self-efficacy refers to an individual's perceived ability to achieve some goal. In the context of learning, self-efficacy is an important factor in influencing engagement, which is shown to influence performance. NeuroSpeculative AfroFeminism is a VR experience that gives women of color an entry point into computing. With this narrative, we are exploring the notion of embodiment through immersive virtual contexts and how it affects the cognitive states of individuals. Here is a demo of NSAF. As the experience begins, the first thing the participant sees is themselves in the mirror as a client in a futuristic hair salon. The salon is a Neuro Cosmetology lab where scientists have reimagined an existing technology called transcranial stimulation and have implemented it into their hair rituals. One of the characters in the salon, Naima, narrates the story to the participant, while the second character, Brooke, prepares the client for a transformative experience. The client or participant then goes through a vision sequence and is transported to the speculative world. In this story, this world was built by women of color who were in exile and were restricted from the ability to express themselves and to simply be. As the participant transports over this new space, they see abstract visuals that are meant to transform their minds. At the end of the transmission, they then see old media representations of Black figures waiting for their arrival. The goal of this experience is that the participant would feel change, knowledge, and freedom in some way. So far, we have explored the space and conducted research to measure change in self-efficacy before and after participating in the experience. We are currently conducting pre- and post interviews, and in the next phase, we will analyze the data through qualitative analysis and coding. This is a longitudinal study, and the participants are primarily underrepresented minorities in K-12 schools across Metro Atlanta. We expect two outcomes from this project. The first is to show how VR experiences could impact the cognitive states of individuals. The second outcome is to show how VR could be used to tailor learning experiences for minority students, as well as impact their participation in computing.